Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I will be showing you guys how you can delete basically your account on chess.com. So go to settings here and scroll down, and then under manage account you're going to select it. You're going to confirm your identity by inserting your email or your password. For mine, I use my email, so I'm just going to use it right now. And then I'm going to type in the captcha here. Confirm identity. Oh, sorry, I can't really see it clearly. Oh my god, I'm really bad because I can't see this. Surely. What? Are you kidding me? Hold on. Okay, there we go. And it says, do you want to close your chess.com account? You're going to select close my account. You can tell us why you're leaving, etc. and then select close my account. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.